Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to backup and restore home screen layout in Samsung smartphones and tablets running One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Galaxy Store and just search for one application name as GoodLock, and on the first list you'll see the application. Just click on it. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. And if this GoodLock is not available for your respective Samsung smartphones, then what you can do is just open the Play Store and just search for one application name as FindLock. On the first list you'll see the application. So firstly, you either install the GoodLock or FindLock, whichever supports in your respective Samsung smartphones, and after that just open the GoodLock or FindLock. And now just click on this plugins, and now you need to download and install this Home app plugins. So I've already downloaded and installed this too, and after that just click on it. Now just turn it on if this option is not turned on, and after that you can see here backup and restore. Just click on it. Now just turn it on. Now below here you will see frequency. So right now you can see not use 1 day, 1 week. So you can select the respective day, or you can directly backup immediately also by clicking on this immediate. So right now you can see the backup home screen layout. Right now you can see here. So let me minimize it and let me show you. So this is the home screen layout which I have done a backup. So now let me try to delete some apps from here and let me place it on different alignment. So right now you can see I have made some changes. So now in order to restore the backup home screen layout, just click on this image. Now click on OK. Voila, now you can see it has restored to the earlier backup home screen layout. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily backup and restore home screen layout in Samsung smartphones and tablets running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.